Hello students, how are you beta? Hope you all are fit and fine students. Students, today we are going to discuss exercise of chapter number 3, that is Our Hero, written by R.K. Narayan. So students, let's move on to the first part, that is understanding the story. Yes students, each statement given below contains one wrong word or phrase, which makes a complete statement false. Now students, underline the wrong words or phrases and replace them with the correct ones to make the statements true. And one has been done for you students. Yes students, as we can see in the first students, that weekly magazine, it's underlined, it means it's incorrect, and the word written is there, newspaper, it's the correct one. So students, how we have to complete? Suppose first one is Swami's father read the report of a lad's bravery in a weekly magazine. Means weekly magazine is incorrect student here, and the correct word is newspaper. So we have written newspaper in the space provided to us. Okay, let's move on to the second one students. The boy was rescued by some people who captured the tiger. Yes, what's wrong student here? Captured word. What should be there? Killed means the boy was rescued by some people who killed the tiger. Okay students, you have to underline the word captured and write down killed. Okay. Third one students, Swami seemed convinced of the boy's bravery. No student, he was not convinced. Okay. In fact, he disputed the theory. Swami seemed convinced of the boy's bravery. He was not convinced. Swami had always slept beside his mother. No students, it's false again. Swami had always slept beside his granny. Okay, mother is wrong here, and what's the answer? Granny. Fifth one students, Swami proposed to sleep alone beginning with the same night. It's again wrong. Now how can we correct students? Swami proposed to sleep alone from the next month. Okay, from the first of next month. Sixth one student, Swami studied in 4th grade? No, he was in second form students. Okay, in 2nd grade. Next one students, last one. Swami had to sleep alone in the hall. No students, Swami had to sleep alone in the office room. Okay, not hall, it's office room. So students, I think it's clear to you now. Now students, let's move on to the next part, that is part D students. Okay, let's start with this. Various incidents in this story evoke contradictory reactions from Swami and his father. Now students, complete the table given below, highlighting the difference of opinion between the two. Now students, first one is father thought and second one is Swami thought. Yes students, according to father, the village boy who had fought a tiger was very courageous. But students, according to Swami, he must have been a very strong and grown-up person, not at all a boy. Okay students, according to Swami, he must have been a very strong and grown-up person and not at all a boy. Okay student, next one is, according to Swami students, courage alone cannot do anything. Strength is also important, but according to father students, courage is everything. Okay, courage is everything. Strength and age are not important. Next one students, part C. According to father students, sleeping alone would make Swami courageous and independent. But students, for Swami, it was a frightful proposition. Okay, it was a frightful proposition for Swami. Hope students, it's clear to you now. Now students, you have to complete this part in your books. Yes students, let's start with the part B, question answers. Okay. Yes, first one is students. How did Swami react to the news of the village lad's bravery, and how was his reaction different from his father's reaction? Yes, students, Swami said that the boy must have been a very strong and grown-up person, not at all a boy. And how it was different, students, from his father's reaction? It was different as his father believed that courage was everything. Okay, courage was everything and strength and age were not important. Now, second one, students. What was the challenge given to Swami by his father? And how did he receive it, students? What was the challenge, students? To sleep alone. Where? In the dark office room. Hai na? So, let's start with the Swami's father challenged him to sleep alone in the dark office room at night. Okay, and how did he receive it, students? Swami tried to avoid the challenge but failed. And how he tried to avoid, students? He talked about the cricket club also. He tried to change the topic, or we can say subject. So Swami tried to avoid the challenge but failed. Yes, dear students, now you have to complete part A and D. Okay, part A and D in your books. Okay, students? Thanks and have a nice day. Bye bye, beta.